Hello everyone. In Q3, we have continued to deliver solid results in our SNC-Lavalin engineering services business, in line with our expectations. We continue to benefit from a diverse business, public sector work, and long-term contracts and relationships. In the SNC-Lavalin projects business, infrastructure LSTKs continued to be affected by productivity losses due to COVID-19. The ongoing resources LSTK projects performed well with a minimal loss. However, the overall loss was driven by an unfavourable arbitration ruling on a completed LSTK legacy resources project. The LSTK backlog continues to run down, and we expect to be complete in the backlog of resources by the year end. Overall, our financial cash position remains strong. As stated, this was another quarter of strong results in engineering services, demonstrated the resilience of this business. If we look now at our sector highlights, starting with EDPM, EDPM continued to perform well in core areas of the UK, Canada, and the US, including a solid backlog, robust pipeline, and the winning of new business. We were recently chosen to be the commercial delivery partner for the UK's High-Speed Rail 2 project. We were also awarded a master planning work for the Six Flags theme park in Saudi Arabia, and won several advisory and design service contracts for state departments of transport in the US. Nuclear continues to perform well, with results for Q3 better than Q1 and Q2, due to a good mix of long-term contracts, field services, and ongoing engineering. The US has been a strong growth market for nuclear, with 2 contracts moving forward with the Department of Energy relating to decommissioning and waste management work at the Hanford site in Washington State. In addition, our proprietary nuclear technology has been well recognized with a number of contract and industry awards. Infrastructure services saw a higher performance in Q3 compared to Q2, with revenues and margin on target. In particularly, our operation and maintenance contract were at full service levels and deemed essential, and we were active with both healthcare and power services contracts. We also saw a number of awards for the sector in Q3 for its activities relating to the ongoing pandemic and master of service agreements in the hydro space. For capital, the 407 ETR reported an improved traffic flow for Q3 as Ontario and the greater area opened up. This led to a dividend of $16.9 million from the 407 in September. The infrastructure EPC projects, we actually generated a loss of $25 million in segment adjusted EBIT, and this reflects the continued impact on productivity from COVID-19 and certain cost reforecasts. Lastly, the transformation of our resources business is progressing well. The service side of the business performed better than expected, and the loss of active LSTK projects was minimal. We remain on track to largely complete the resources backlog of LSTK by the end of the year. Overall, our performance continues to underscore the strength and resilience of our engineering services business and our continued closeout of legacy LSTK business. Currently, we are focused on 4 key priorities to unlock value for all stakeholders. 1, closing out LSTK business successfully. 2, ensuring continued, consistent performance across our core markets and geographies in engineering services. 3, positioning the company for a sustainable future, driving organic growth by sharing capabilities across all our core markets, including looking at those capabilities that can help us enable clients to deliver sustainable infrastructure and clean energy of the future, and leveraging technology and collaborative working to apply our major project expertise in new contract models that benefit our clients and the outcomes of projects. And lastly, 4, we are building a connective, collaborative organisation to efficiently deliver our overall strategic direction. I'd like to thank all our employees and our shareholders for their commitment and dedication to our organisation. I firmly believe that we have the business focused on the right markets, in the right geographies, and we're taking the right approach to achieve our future. In closing, I would remind you that this is just a snapshot of our Q3 results. Please visit our investor section on our website for more details through our presentation to investors. Thank you.